To fix Windows 11 stuck in automatic repair loop, first click on Advanced Options. Then you will be on this screen. Select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, click on System Restore. Select Next, then Show More Restore Point. Select your restore point when your Windows was working perfectly fine. Then click on Next and restore your Windows to the backdate. If that doesn't work, then you have to be on the same screen. Select Uninstall Update. First, you need to uninstall latest quality update and click on Uninstall. If that doesn't work, then you can go with a different option as well. You can select Uninstall latest feature update and remove it from your computer, and hopefully that will fix your issue. If you still need help, you can contact us on our Facebook or Instagram page. See you in the next video.